What a good day to feed my pets. It's so I need to feed them something. Alright, we got some. Ooh, chicken. This will do. Oh, chicken noodle soup. Yes, this is what it's from. Here you go. There you go. Alright, it's mine grapes. It's alright. Grape pie. I made you a grape pie. Oh, and black cat, I'm gonna give you carrot. That yummy. There you go. Alright, time to go to school. Oh. Alrighty. Let's grab this. Now I'm gonna play some sports. So boy. Hey, I'm gonna pack some lunch, which is Lucky's is chicken noodle soup, up Red Bull, which is healthy, fruit, some coconut, kitty juice and kitty soda, turkey sandwich, and a one sliced homemade sausage and pepperoni pizza. Well, and also a hot dog. Kitty hot dog. And milk as well. Alright, time to go. Time to get on a donkey. Oh boy. Well, my uncle takes me on his donkey because Vaha always takes me here. There. Alright, time to ride it. Right. 1 minute later. Thanks, Uncle. Oh, you're the best. Yeah, you didn't forget your lunch, right? Yeah, yes, I didn't. So yeah, don't be stupid. Alright, time to go to school. Woo!